Hello everyone, welcome to Jade SOFTECH. Let's discuss Introduction to SAP ABAP. SAP means Systems, Application and Products in Data Processing. Is a software type called Enterprises Resources Planning that is used by large companies for managing their daily efforts. ABAP in SAP is used for developing reports, interfaces, extensions, forms and workflows objects. Advanced Business Application Programming is a full form of ABAP in SAP. SAP ABAP is a fourth generation application specific programming language used for creating an application for the SAP R/3 system. Those applications will run in SAP that has been written with the help of ABAP 4th generation. It is currently put along with Java as the programming language for SAP NetWeaver application server, part of a SAP NetWeaver platform for developing business applications. Thank you.